Hi, welcome back to using thesaurus.com to help paraphrase sentences. We had already completed step 1 and we completed step 2. We're now on step 3. We're going to work on step 3 and then step 4 and also step 5 within this same video. Step 3. Review the above 10 synonyms and highlight or circle the 3 best. Write them below and list related words. So let's do this one. Remember, we're working with the word constitution. We found 10 synonyms and put them in these boxes. And these are the words that best went with this passage. Now I'm taking another look and I'm going to highlight or circle the 3 best. These are the ones that I feel I would have a better chance paraphrasing this passage. Okay, the 3 best are character, composition, and construction. So take a moment, pause the video, highlight or circle your words on your paper. Okay. So the next part was to write them below and list related words. That is, we're going to find words that are in their family. You might have heard that before, word families, so that words that are related to other words. So for instance, construction, there's the word construct in it, so that word is related to construction. And of course I got construction from here. So construct, constructs, and constructed. Now this was just a quick brainstorm that I'm doing. I'm just pulling out all the vocabulary that I'm using. I didn't even open a dictionary or go to dictionary.com. I just brainstormed some words that I knew that was related to these. Now my next word, composition. So I wrote composition here. And you're supposed to write these on your paperwork too. So composition, compose, composes. The last word is character. So I wrote that here. Characters, characteristic, characteristics. If you need to pause the video, please do so. Okay, so now you have those written on your worksheet. Let's go down to step 4. All right. Step 4, using one word from the list of words in step 3, write a paraphrase for the phrase below. And so the constitution of the land is entirely volcanic. So I'm trying to look for a word, the best word for constitution, and then I'm going to try to rearrange everything. Okay, so it looks like constructed. So that's not even one of the words that was here. It was one from the word family that I brainstormed. So sometimes we have to do a lot of research and then just drum it up ourselves. I took the word entirely and I put completely. There's not a lot that I can change with volcanic. However, I did say volcanic material. Okay, so the constitution of the land is entirely volcanic. I paraphrase that to, the land is completely constructed of volcanic material. So take a moment and write this sentence down on your paper. That is a paraphrase. So go ahead and pause the video. If you can, write your own paraphrase as well. If you do that, make sure you show your teacher. All right. Our final task. Okay, step 5. With a partner, okay, now you get to work with somebody. Follow the same format for the word arid and paraphrase the entire sentence below. You may incorporate the paraphrase provided in step 4. Or you can use the one that you came up with on your own. Okay, so here we go. The constitution of the land is entirely volcanic, and the climate being extremely arid, the islands are but thinly clothed with nearly leafless, stunted brushwood or trees. Your job is to paraphrase the entire sentence. We already got you started with this part, so you may use this part in your paraphrase, or you may use the paraphrase that you developed on your own. So either one. So your final job is to paraphrase this entire sentence. Work with a partner, and when you are done, share it with your teacher. I hope this helps you with your future paraphrasing. Bye.